Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and use the pen and draw tool in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go select the draw tab, and then you see you have different ink colors to pick from here. If you want to draw something, you just select whatever color you want to select from the list here. And you can pick other colors too by clicking a little drop down arrow. You can change different colors as well as thickness, and by selecting more colors you can enter the whole palette of colors including custom RGB codes as well, depending on whatever color you are looking for, and you can just draw it on the Word document here. And once you are done drawing whatever you want, does not really matter, you can select the little eraser icon over here. And if you wanted to delete any of these lines, yours would hover over, whatever the line you just drew, and cover over you, just would draw right through it, and it would erase whatever the line was drawn in that particular period. And that's pretty much it guys, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching, still about to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.